slipping away. So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go now, nah?
Hi guys, it's Alex Michael May. Welcome back to my channel. So excited about today's video, working with one of my favorite companies, Modcloth, showing you one of my favorite outfits for Valentine's Day that I've ever worn. I'm all about pink and red and cute little get-ups, so clearly this is a fun holiday. And hearts. Who doesn't love hearts? So today I wanted to talk to you guys about an idea for a Galentine's Day gift for your friends. So this year I really wanted to do something a little outside the box, but it's also inside a box, which you'll soon see. And I wanted to create a self-love kit for you to give to your girlfriends for Galentine's Day. And the outfit I'm wearing is head to toe Modcloth. It's such a cute look for a Galentine's Day party or date night. So I love that it can go either or, and each piece can be styled separately or together. But since it is Valentine's Day, I thought it would be fun to just theme out and go red head to toe. I love this little crop cardigan. It's so cute with high-waisted pants or jeans or anything. It's really soft. Love the fit of it. So cute. You could even wear it unbuttoned if you wanted to. The skirt is this beautiful kind of chiffon-y material, and I love the little dots. The texture is so fun. The movement is so fun. It feels so delicate, feminine, and clearly the sparkles on the shoes are the icing on top of this super cute cake. Here's everything we put in the box. It just smells so good. I want to like jump in and swim around. It's filled with all kinds of goodies, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I put in here, why I put it in here. You can totally modify this. Just think about your friends, and I think sometimes when you get a gift that's really thoughtful, it just makes you feel warm and fuzzy because you realize like people are listening to me, people know me, and sometimes it's things that you see about them they may not even see about themselves. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside, and I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to make something like this. Let's get started. First of all, grab a cute heart-shaped box. We are going to create and package and prepare all the little cute items that are gonna go in here. So for mine, I did a compliment jar. So you can just take a little mason jar, little pieces of paper. Of course, mine are hearts because I'm just extra, okay, you guys? Like, come on, you know me. I'm just gonna write a cute little compliment in here, just anything that's gonna light them up, make them smile. They are compliments, but make them personal. The next thing we have is a piece of rose quartz. Rose quartz is known in the crystal kind of healing world as a self-love stone. We're gonna encourage them to light the Palo Santo. So here we have the Palo Santo. It's just this holy wood that has this beautiful fragrance. You set an intention and you can kind of like clear your energy and the energy of your home with the smoke that comes from the stick. And we're gonna use that along with the rose quartz crystal to hold and set an intention. Then we have a candle and matches.
Where do we go now, now? Just let me know that I am safe.
And then we are going to make a essential oil infused bath salt set. You're just gonna take any kind of Epsom salts that you can get at any kind of drugstore. You could put a couple drops of essential oils. Lavender is great for relaxation. And then I actually had a dried flower. I also have some dried lavender in front of my house. So you could just crush up some herbs and just kind of make this. And I put it in a little cello bag and I just sealed it with a heart sticker.
It's out of control, out of control.
And then we have a rose quartz roller, so more rose quartz. And this is for lymphatic drainage. It just feels good to kind of like physical touch, I think is so healing. Then we have the lipstick, and the lipstick is for writing that love note on the mirror that I mentioned. They can write something like a positive affirmation about themselves, either from your compliment jar or just one that they think of themselves. And when they come out of the bath, they are gonna see that first thing and smile. And then obviously we tied it up with this cute little bouquet of flowers so that they can enjoy some fresh cut flowers on Valentine's Day, and that is about it. I just think it's such a sweet, fun, thoughtful thing to do. You could even get a group of girlfriends together and you could assemble your own and have a Galentine's Day party themed around making your own self-care kit or morning ritual kit. I feel like this is one of those things that you could take and just run with it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little outside the box for me. I do love doing DIY and craft, but I really want to focus on self-care for me just because I find that it's something that I need so much that I'm working on. So I really just like making content about it. So if you guys like this video, please like, hit that subscribe button, that little bell so you never miss one of my videos. Comment below, let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know what you guys do for self-care, what you thought of this craft, and I'd love to know what you guys' plans are for Valentine's Day. And again, thank you so much for Modcloth, just for, first of all, making the best clothes and being size inclusive, and also for just encouraging, you know, self-care and conversations about this stuff. That's one of the things I love about the brand is they encourage me to share with my community, and you know, they're just love having all these conversations. So love getting to work with brands brands that have a heart and think about the kind of messaging they're putting out there. So thank you so much for watching, and happy Valentine's Day.